Good day. The name of my project is a smart blind walking stick using Arduino. This circuit consists of 4 things. Okay. Firstly, I'm going to explain the hardware. Okay. This is my transmitter, of which the blind man will use when he wants to locate his stick, which has a push button that when he's trying to locate his stick, he must just press it until he finds it. Okay. Secondly, it has what we call is this side an ultrasonic sensor, whereby it will detect it will detect an object within a 30 centimeter range. Thirdly, it has what we call an LDR, light dependent resistor, to detect if it gets darker. And then lastly, it has what we call a humidity sensor, whereby it will sense water, like when it starts to rain, or when the base of the blind man, when the base of the stick of the blind man enters water. For in case if there's a pothole and there's water inside, so the blind man doesn't fall inside the water, it will also give him a warning. Then I'm going to show you step by step and demonstrate of all those 4 things that he's supposed to do. Okay, firstly, both these circuits are powered by 9-volt battery. I'm going to start with the stick locator. Now, if the blind man wants to locate his stick, since he can't see, he must just press the button. Of which it's going to give him a long constant beep until he locates the stick, and then he can release the button. Secondly, the most important thing is obstacle detection. Now, I want to show you how it works. Let's say, for in case this is an obstacle. Immediately when the blind man, when the stick detects an obstacle within a range of 30 centimeter, this is what's going to happen. It's going to give constant beeps. And then when the obstacle gets closer, check, the number of beeps increases. When the obstacle gets closer, the number of beeps increases. When the obstacle gets closer, the number of beeps increases. Just like that. Okay? And then, thirdly, when an area that the blind man is at, it gets darker. This is what's going to happen. Let's demonstrate. It's going to give him one long constant beep for 1 second, then there's a delay, one long constant beep for 1 second, then there's a delay. Then he will know that it's getting darker, he needs to get home. And then lastly, the most important thing for the blind man, not to walk into a pothole of water, this humidity sensor will be placed at the base of the stick. Meaning that immediately when the stick of the blind man enters the water, this is what's going to happen. Okay, I'm just going to pour a little bit of water there. Then it's going to give him 3 constant beeps and stops, 3 constant beeps and stops. Okay, let's try it. Let's make it dry. Okay, so the most important thing is that it looks like it's not dry. Let's make sure that it's dry. It must be dry. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it's still wet. It's very sensitive. Okay, now. Okay, so basically this project will do 4 things again. It will detect an obstacle. It will detect if the place is getting darker. It will detect water. And also it will make sure that the blind man, if he tries to locate his stick, so he can find it by pushing that transmitter button. Thank you.